Hello Motionyst team! In this video, we will learn step by step how to create amazing CRT effects using After Effects. Welcome to our CRT Effect After Effects lesson.
Future's far away, but I'll stay. Just take a leap of faith, we'll find a way for you and me. Can't look back and run from what I feel inside. There's no more time to hide, because I feel again, I feel again, oh now.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications if you want to be the first to watch.
It's back to life. I feel it again, I feel it again, I feel it again. We're bringing this back to life. Help me find the right words to say to get us back on our way. Can we try to find
New templates, useful information, and other things are shared every day on our Telegram channel. You can check the description section to watch and benefit from it.